Hey guys, like, subscribe, bell, face. Let's get into the video. Whew, hello. How are the things? What's going on? Merry Vlogmas. Because you know what? I just now decided that this is going to be a Vlogmas video because I'm dressed in red and it works. So today's video is going to be a food review video. You know, back in November, I did a review of a company called Flex Pro Meals. They had reached out to me, sent me some of their stuff. Didn't end well. Didn't end well at all. I threw a lot of it out and didn't eat some of the stuff that I even heated up. I thought they had very shady business practices. They don't list all of the nutritional information. They aren't keto foods. Like, there was just a lot of not great things that happened. From one of my Instagram posts, I had someone who follows me, her name is Christy. She reached out to me and she was like, hey, listen, we just started a keto meal delivery service. We're looking for reviews. Would you like me to send you some stuff? And I was like, yes. Yes, I would. Got everything this morning. You will see me unbox it and all that fun stuff later, my first review. But I wanted to go over the reason why I said yes. I visited their website and it definitely is way more professional looking to me than Flex Pro Meals, okay? So here is the big thing. It's called Keto Meal Program. It is whole foods, no preservatives, delivered to your home, highest quality ingredients, and best customer service. As of the time that I am recording this, they do not have all of the nutritional information up, because when I say they just launched, I mean legit just launched. I will have their Instagram down in the description box, and I will also put a link to their website as well, which is just ketomealprogram.com. They are fully transparent, so if you have any questions, you can email them. I've already been in contact with Matthew, who is over there trying to get everything uploaded to the website. I mean, they're like new. You can do 3 different meal programs. You have 12 meals, 18, and 21. The 12 meal program is $119.88. 18 meal is $174.88. 21 meal program is $199.88. So let's do the math on that real quick. So $119.88 divided by 12, $10 a meal. Okay. Then you're looking at $174.88 divided by 18, $972 a meal. And then what did I say? $199.88 divided by 21. That is your cheapest option at $9.52 a meal. That being said, they're roughly the same price as Flex Pro Meals. However, just stick with me. You get to pick what you want. I'm going to read you a little bit of a description of who we are. We want to provide an overall amazing experience. It is important to us that we send out the highest quality food in the best available packaging. A meal program should not should take stress out of your life, not add to it. We make it our mission to have every transaction be easy and seamless. You can connect the food, or you can expect the food to show up as you ordered it, no surprises. Our Keto Meal Program software automatically creates a subscription with every order, but don't worry, you aren't held to any contracts, and canceling or pausing the subscription is very easy. You can do it yourself or email us and we'll do it for you. So once you make a payment, you're automatically enrolled in a subscription, but you can always cancel it. Keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and I'm going to throw up on the screen what I'm doing on their website so you guys can see. So we're gonna go ahead and purchase the 12 meal program. So you can place your order every 1, 2, 3, or 4 weeks, and it's delivered on Thursdays. So let's select our choices. Guys, look at this. You can get breakfast bowls, cheesy eggs and bacon, chorizo and egg, which is what I had this morning, keto egg souffles, the grilled chicken and vegetables. How good does that look? Bacon cheeseburger bowl, barbecue pulled pork, spicy beef bowl, chimichurri chicken, turkey enchilada bowl, maple glazed ham and cheese bowl, bratwurst bowl, beef and cheddar, chicken club, island glazed pork. I have one of those, that looks good. Meatloaf, meat lovers bowl, lemon pepper salmon, jalapeno popper bowl, Alfredo meatballs, pesto chicken, sirloin steak and cowboy butter, I have one of those too, smoky chipotle steak, keto chicken bacon ranch. Guys, they have 24 different meal options. That's nuts to me. Let's take a look at the chorizo and eggs. So let's go to details. Eggs, chorizo sausage with a cheese garnish. You're looking at 326 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2 carbs, and 25 fat. Now, I will have to send her an email because on mine it says 3 gram net carbs, I think. I have to double check that actually. But I mean, come on. Like, even if that's total carbs and not net, that's amazing. It's 2 gram net carbs. Let's take a look at the grilled chicken and vegetable. Grilled chicken breast, fibrous green vegetable, olive oil glaze, 454 calories, 34 grams of protein, 3 gram carbs, and 33 fat. Let's look at something that might have a little bit of a sugar content to it. So we'll go with the island glazed pork. It's a poppy seed glaze, pork, fibrous green vegetable mix, 390 calories, 25 protein, 3 carbs, 25 fat. Guys, just even though there's not much difference as of today with this website, with their nutritional information, just the fact that they're so much lower in carbs is top notch for me already. You've already won me over. Their lemon pepper salmon, fibrous green vegetables, 260 calories, 34 protein, 3 carb, 14 fat. It's just amazing. I'm very, very pleased with their website so far. The fact that I was told you can email at any time is also a big deal to me. You can email them, they will give you any information that is needed. It's totally more transparent than Flex Pro Meals. So I'm gonna end my ramblings here. Go down and check their website out if you guys are into the whole frozen to microwave to face whole thing. Also, I might add, they come with instructions. Flex Pro Meals had 0 instructions, and you don't have to thaw these for 24 to 48 hours. So they are literal, convenient keto frozen meals. I can't. I'm gonna have another one for lunch. I just don't know what one it is. I had the chorizo and egg for breakfast. You guys will see that later on. It's a whole thing, guys. Definitely go check them out. And you'll see the next couple clips will be of me trying a different foods. They don't have a dessert option as of now, but they are working on one. So keep that in mind. Again, links will all be down below. I will give you guys a wrap up at the end. All right? Go and enjoy me tasting food because we all know my face doesn't lie. Guys, so here is what Christy over at the Keto Meal Plan sent me. Let's open it, take it out, and see what's going on. All right, so first thing off the bat, it is packaged incredibly well. So you have this giant piece of styrofoam and then a crap ton of ice packs. That is an actual form of measurement, by the way. So you got, it's not actually a crap ton, sorry, this is styrofoam. They're plastic. I'm very tired, it's early. Big thing of ice. That hurts. I'm gonna take this out and put it in my sink. All right, now we have more plastic and then all the meals. Whew, there's a lot in here. I'm actually gonna take these all out and then I'll show it to you. All right guys, so this is everything that Christy sent me, and I think I called it the Keto Meal Plan earlier. It's a Keto Meal Program, but these are all different meals. I'm very excited. Let's see what I got. So we have chimichurri chicken, steak and cowboy butter. This one is hard to see. Turkey enchilada, keto chicken bacon ranch, keto chipotle steak, lemon pepper salmon, Alfredo and meatballs. This one is a breakfast bowl. Is that what that is? Cheesy eggs and bacon, island glazed pork. This one is meatloaf, I think. Yep, meatloaf, chorizo and eggs, spicy beef bowl, bacon cheeseburger, and meat lovers. As you can see, it does have all of the nutritional information on the package, and it says consume or freeze within 10 days, remove bag, microwave for 2.5 minutes, and enjoy. So let's pull this one. Grab that. There you go. So this one is spicy beef bowl. Look at how yummy that looks. I'm actually gonna make the chorizo and eggs, make a cup of coffee, and have breakfast while I make my Thanksgiving Day list. And then we will chat. I will say, if you look at these, they look 10 times better than Flex Pro meals did. Like, they look like actual food. Even frozen, they look like actual food. Like, look at that. Yum. Okay, so don't take offense, but I don't have like a lip on, so I'm like halfway dressed. This is the meal. It looks delicious. Like, it looks way better than Flex Pro did. So let's give it a shot. Get a little bit of egg, a little bit of chorizo. I can't pull it off with saying it with the accent. Oh my God. That's so good. That is delicious. It is flavorful. It is chorizo-y. It is eggy. It is cheesy. It is delicious. Oh, I'm very excited to put the rest of this in my face. Alright, so I'm having the chicken bacon ranch from the keto meal program for dinner. I'm going to throw this in the microwave and I will show you when it's done. Alright, so this is it after. I'm going to flip you around and taste. Alright, so we're going to give this a shot. Easy to peel apart. It doesn't smell the best. My lipstick is all messed up. It's got a kick. It's not your traditional ranch. It's good though. I'm actually gonna put this back in the microwave for a couple more seconds. Chicken bacon ranch is good. All right, so this is the spicy beef bowl. It looks like it is a mixture of some broccoli, green beans, and like a spicy burger. So let's try. We're gonna get a straight burger. That's not bad. Got a kick. Yeah, this is just like a spicy seasoned burger that's cooked really well actually, and broccoli. And green beans. Oh, good. Right, so I'm having another one of these because the boys are having cheesesteaks and pizza. So this is the meat lovers bowl: broccoli, beef, pepperoni, a little bit of cheese. Let's taste. You're watching me. Hi. Hi. Oh, I have cheese from my mouth. That's weird. Okay. There is cheese on here. I'm gonna add a scotch more and a little bit of ranch, but it's good. It tastes like a burger with pepperoni. Tasty. This is another one of the keto meal program's dinners. This is the bacon cheeseburger bowl and it has some broccoli in it. Let's give it a taste. All right, so this one is 2 gram net. I think I may have overcooked this a little bit. Oh, good. Her burger meals have been consistently good. Could use a little bit more bacon, but it's good. Seasoned well, cooked well. I like it. Oh, please excuse this lip. I'm trying a color out. I don't think I care for it. Anyway, what's up? So this is gonna be the last meal that I try for the keto meal program with you guys. I still have more in the fridge or in the freezer, but I don't want to try them with you. I'm gonna try the Chipotle steak. It's 2 gram net carbs total. When that is done being warmed up, I will come back and show you what it tastes like. Okay, so it is definitely not the prettiest, but that's okay. I don't base things on how they taste or how they look. I don't base things on how they taste. Nope. So this is 325 calories, 25 grams of protein, 2 carbs, 15 fat. Whew, let's give it a shot. Hot. Mmm. Oh wow, this is good. I'm gonna eat dinner. Then you guys will see me again, and probably in the beginning of this video, because I deleted some stuff. So, I'll see you soon. Hello, I'm gonna take my glasses off because you guys can't see my face. So I actually don't have to refilm the first part. I'm good. But I did want to give you guys an overall outlook on the foods. I'm giving up on these earrings. I would absolutely purchase this meal program if I had the money to do so. Luckily, these were sent to me. I didn't have, you know, $130 to do this. But I would absolutely do this. I know $10 a meal seems a little steep, but the sheer convenience of not having to cook a meal is worth it to me. It is absolutely worth it. Their food is delicious. I know they have similar issues as far as Flex Pro with not having all of the ingredients listed, not having the fiber content. However, you are able to email them and get all of that information. So like I need to know, you know, and the island glazed pork, what is the poppy seed glaze? I can email and they will let me know what is in it. They're planning on being fully transparent. They just have not gotten the full website up and running. So keep that in mind. But you can tell by their descriptions, their whole foods, the macros, you can tell that there's nothing scary in these meals. I will leave their link down below. I don't make anything as of right now. For telling you guys about this. You know, I don't know if that's gonna change or not. It very well could. But you know, thank you so much to the keto meal program. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed the meals that I had. I'm actually still eating the asparagus out of the Chipotle steak. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, if you guys are interested in this, go check them out. Help out a small business. Make sure that they know, you know, that we're here. You know, like there is definitely a place in the keto community for a keto meal program. You know what I mean? All right, guys, do not forget to like and subscribe and share and do all those things. I will talk to you all later. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas.